Hey, hey! Welcome to another episode of Cozy English Club, your favorite cozy English class in podcast form. I'm Lena.
And I'm Chris. We're hanging out today at a co working cafe and we're talking about some really useful everyday English.
Today's focus? Opposites, WH questions, jobs, and professions, and how to make sentences and questions using the verb do.
Let's jump in.
Let's start with something fun opposites. They're great for describing people, places, and things.
Here are some common pairs: big, small, tall, short, old, young, hot, cold, clean, dirty, fast, slow, loud, quiet, happy, sad, nice, mean, strong, weak.
Let's use a few in short sentences. This bag is heavy. That bag is light. My teacher is nice. The movie was boring. The book was interesting.
Here's a fun one: this coffee is hot. That smoothie is cold. Or, I am tired, but my dog is full of energy.
Try it if you're listening. Look around and describe two things using opposites.
Next, we're going to practice WH questions. These are questions that start with what, where, when, who, why, which, how.
Let's go one by one with examples.
What do you do? I'm a teacher. Where do you work? I work at a school. When do you start? At 8 a.m.
Who is your coworker? My friend Lisa. Why do you love your job? Because I like helping people. Which coffee do you want? The black one. How do you go to work? By bus.
We use these all the time. And you'll see do in many of them, like, what do you eat for lunch? Where do they live?
Now let's talk about jobs. Common jobs and professions include teacher, doctor, nurse, student, waiter, waitress, chef, police officer, engineer, artist, musician, driver, lawyer, farmer, mechanic.
Let's make some example sentences. I am a student. She is a nurse. He is a teacher. They are chefs.
And now using do for actions. I teach English. She helps patients. They cook in a restaurant.
Try turning it into questions. What do you do? Where do you work? Do you like your job?
Let's break it down. For present simple questions, we often use do or does. Use do with I, you, we, they. Use does with he, she, it.
Examples. Do you work on weekends? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he drive to work? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Do they eat lunch at school? Yes, they do.
Now let's practice. I'll ask. You answer. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. Does your sister work at a hospital?
Yes, she does. She's a nurse. Do your friends study at university?
No, they don't. They work full time.
Nice.
Let's mix it all together. We'll describe someone using opposites, ask a WH question, and give an answer with do.
I'll go first. My brother is tall and funny. What does he do? He works as a firefighter.
My cat is small but strong. Where does it sleep? It sleeps on the sofa.
Your turn, listeners. Describe someone or something, ask a question, and answer it.
Let's recap today's episode. Use opposites to describe people and things: tall, short, hot, cold, clean, dirty. Ask questions with WH words: what, who, where, when, why, which, how. Use do and does in simple present. Do you work? Does she cook? Answer with yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, she does. No, he doesn't.
And don't forget your job vocabulary. Try making your own sentences like, I am a student. He is a mechanic. Do you work from home?
That's a wrap on this episode of Cozy English Club. We packed a lot in. Opposites, questions, jobs, and grammar.
Try practicing with a friend or even talk to yourself. Seriously, it works. Ask, what do I do? Why do I like coffee? Do I enjoy podcasts? Answer, yes, I do.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe or follow, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye!